Hi everyone, I have another unboxing from BeeBeeCraft. So let's check out all the goodies they gave me. And remember, it's code Petey20. It'll be with the links for 10% off your order. Alright, so first off, I got these moth charms because who doesn't need moth charms? I know I need them. So this was, I can't remember how many came in here, but you get quite a bit, and you get different colors too. So I'll show you. You get silver, you get black. Oh, that's pretty. See if it'll focus. That's it, silver and black, and they are, let me see, they are 1.5 inches wide. So I thought these were pretty cool. I don't have anything like this. It's a big size. I wasn't expecting them to be that big, but still very cool. And I'm glad I have them in my stash. And of course, they already come in their own little container, which is always a good thing. Next, I wanted some skull beads like these right here that I made my bows with. I wanted more of these. But they had just sold out, so I got these kind instead. These are already beaded up. These are already wired up. So I thought, well, these are pretty cool, and they come in a few different colors. So I got it in black, blue, white, and red. Let's see. Well, you can see with the white the best. So this is what it looks like. And they already come, they're already looped with silver and a little bead. So don't have to loop, you don't have to wire them up. They're already done for you. So that was good. You get a bunch of these. Yeah, I think you get like 100. I'm not sure. I think it's 100. Alright. Then let's see what this is. I forgot now what I got. I kind of forget what I put in. Alright, so these are, alright, it comes with wire. Oh no, this is the stretchy cording. Okay, it comes with a good amount of that. And these are just some Halloween color beads that I wanted. I wanted a little bit more in my stash. I already beaded everything up, but now I wanted some more different things. So these are frosted. And you get black, green, orange, and purple. If I had to guess, I would say that these were 6mm. Might have it in the links. I think it's 6. They also came with charms. So, let me show you. It comes with jump rings. Oh, these are very sturdy jump rings too. These are nice and sturdy. These are not cheapy ones, flimsy. These are thick. So that's good. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 8 of the haunted house charms, which is that. And then this is a little bit of a the other slot here has a couple of different things. So you get the vampire lips with the teeth. You get a jack-o'-lantern that looks dead. That's pretty cool. Is there anything else in here? No, you just get those 2 things. So that's a pretty good mix. So you get the jack-o'-lanterns, the lips, and you get the haunted houses. So that's a nice kit. And it comes with the stretchy cord, and it comes with quite a few jump rings. So this is nice to have. Oops, what is that? Oh, that's one of the lips that must have gotten away. And the lips are sparkly. I don't know if you can tell. They have a red sparkle to them. Oh, you can tell a little bit. Well, that's pretty cool. All right, and of course the haunted houses have the orange in the windows. So that's a pretty neat little kit. Looking forward to working on that. And I got 2 other things. Oh, I know. Yeah, I got these Christmas cabochons for like bows and stuff. When I make bows, I like to put cabochons in the middle if I can. So I got these because Christmas is around the corner, but I'd really like fall to take its time. I don't want to think about that right now. So we have a reindeer, and we have a Santa, and we have a candy cane. You get some bells. You get a stocking. You get a snowman. You get Rudolph. You get a tree. And you get a mitten. And then you get another type of tree. 2 different trees. See, they're 2 different kinds. Oh, and the stockings are different too. Like you get that one with the fluff at the top. And then you get one that has these candies. Okay, so you get 2 different kinds. You get a couple of different kinds of those. You get a bell, this kind of bell. So as you can see, you get quite a bit here. And they're all kind of different. Oh, see, even the reindeer is different. Like, you'll get that reindeer and then, oh no, I'm sorry, that's the same. It looked different. And there's Rudolph again. So you get quite a bit in this bag. I'll put those back. This will be nice to share too. I'll probably do a Christmas swap. Oh, what is this one? Oh no, we saw that one already. Yep. All right. right. And then lastly, I got some black beads because, believe it or not, I don't have any black bubblegum beads. So this was a mix. It's not just black, obviously. There's white and there's some other colors, but so we got like this. Oh, that's cool. That's like a textured. At first I thought there was all glitter on there, but that's actually textured. So we got that one. We got the black with the white spots. We got an iridescent crackle clear. We have a white. We have the clear faceted. We got a striped. We have, some people call these Shambhala beads. Some people call them rhinestone beads. Got one of those. We got some pearl. So you get a good variety, and you get regular black. That's really shiny. So you get quite a bit in this box. This container, I should say. And that's really it for the unboxing. So I'm going to do a couple of things. Oh, it also comes with, I'm sorry, let me open this up and show you. So it also comes with some cording, chain. This is a nice chain. It's thick. It's not a flimsy chain. This is thick. And it comes with, yeah, so it comes with couple of chains. And it also comes with a lobster clasp, a couple of lobster clasps. If you can see them right here. There's one. Here's another. And then it comes with these, I guess I'm going to call them silver beads. Alright, so that also comes with it. So that's good to have as well. Your cording and your lobster clasps. These lobster clasps are a good size too. And your chain that's in here. And that's a good amount of chain. And like I said, it's nice and thick. It's not cheap. It's not flimsy. So that's my unboxing. I'm going to do a couple of videos for you coming up on making something. I don't know what yet. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll have to think about it. And stay tuned for next week. I'll do some type of video. We'll see what I come up with. So if anybody's interested in any of this, the links are down below with my code for 10% off your order. And I'll see you soon with the next creation, whatever that's going to be. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.